more settings for this. This is ellipse tool. You can click here and you will be draw look like this. You can this and you can move this. Press the shift button. This will be show as a circle. Circle will be draw 100% accurately. You click the shift button and release the button of your mouse. This will be draw. Click here. You can move this documents. You can set the basic color of this document. Click here and you can set all the line color. You can, this is the color, this is the line color of this document. You can set different type of line color like this. I am going to set the line color look like this. This is the pretty color for this line, and no further more setting are required here. You can also set the border of this color. You can increase the size and decrease the size of border here according to your desire. You can also change the border lining style here. Look like different styles are available. You can set the dotted. You can also set the dash size and gap between the gap, or you can set the 4, 5 according to your required. You can set the gap between these dash. You can see different. You will be see in different space. This dash will be working like this. At this time, next we are going to working in this way. After this, we are need some more rounded rectangle here. We are set this document like this. All of this setting will be applied automatically here because we nothing change. After this, you will be see on your screen. This will be rounded here. All of type. You can set different type of rounding media. First of all, we are going to remove the border. You will be see clearly of this settings. This we are going to show the. I'm going to change the 30. This is will be rounded like 30. At this time, very light color. You will be difficulty to see and understand. I am going to change the color of this to in a dark mode color. This will be show you how to increase the border of this. Change the rectangle sides. And after this, I am going to change the more setting 50. If we are want to change the one and other, no need click here, no problem. Click this. This is will be joint and not joint this color. I am going to, this color is 0. This is 0. This is also this is 0. This document look like this. You can see on your screen. This document will be look like this. This is the 30, this is 30, this is 0, this is 0. Press the OK button. You will be see on your screen. Look like this document this. More on setting on this. If we are want to see again 0, press OK button. This will be set the everywhere is 0 and this will be showing 50 pixels. You can set according to your required, according to your demand, according to your need. You can set. These are the basic setting of this properties. You will be mostly need of this documents. And the next step we are going to setting more setting on different work. After this, polygon tools. This is the polygon tools. You will be many times use different type. I am going to remove all others because this will be disturb our work. This is polygon has the 5 edges. You will can see on your screens. We can increase the different type of edges and we can add edges in this buttons. We are going to set this opacity of this document. Either of this document, this is not required. This is a further options. Or setting are show here all this document. I'm going to decrease and again click on this. You can set the edges of this document, like there this time is 5, you can set also 7. Increase the 7 edges of this documents. You can set the change 9 edges. This will be apply on next tools. Next is with working with 9 edges. You can see on your screen. We can also work with this. We can increase the size and decrease the size of these images. We can again move this document according to your desire. We can fill colors according to our desires. You can fill 2 colors according to our desires. In the gradient option, you can see last time we are working on this gradient tools. Many colors are available in this tool. You can set according to your